So, what are the good NFT projects? Like, how can you tell one NFT project is going to succeed in the future? How can it tell you that you'll make you bang bang in the future? It's going to be the future Bored Ape Yacht Club.
What did he say?
Well, to that third or fourth question, it's really no answer. I don't think there will be another Bored Ape Yacht Club in the next 2-3 years because of their whole roadmap. It's insane. Let's hop right into it. Number one, I usually check for the utility. Now, when I say utility, I don't mean video games. Like,
yo, this new NFT project, it's creating a video game.
No, every NFT project is saying that now. In the future, in Q3, we will create a video game that's insane that only holders can play. Like, bro, you're just being too generic now. Okay, I can just go spend it on some other NFT project as well. What makes it different? You gotta check out some things that will make it different. For example, Rebels. Rebels is gonna allow you to mix up your NFT pictures with their NFT. It's gonna be insane. Yeah, first thing is utility. You gotta make sure it's solid and they're trustworthy. The utility can't be too insane. Like, we'll fly with members. Number two, we're gonna do a Lamborghini, Tesla giveaway. Like, the only reason that we're doing that and you can trust them on that is it's a famous celebrity or it's actually a well-known person. Otherwise, that's like too scammy. I would not fall for that. Number two is a community. If the community isn't good, then the whole project is gonna fail. So, like, for example, if the community isn't booming, why would people buy into it? You gotta go in the Discord, you gotta like actually go check, like stay active in there for a bit and see what everyone's talking about. Ask these questions and see if they answer them correctly. Are they actually having generic conversations? Are they enjoying in the Discord server? Or are they really just trying to get that whitelist spot to make that money? That's what half the people on the Discord server are for, and that's not a good sign because people are just trying to make money, which is not good because then the floor price is going to drop drastically because everyone's going to sell. You got to make sure there's a bunch of long-term holders for that project. Otherwise, the NFT is going to fall and that won't be good for you or the other person. Another good way to check is just typing in who else is hyped for this project. If you don't get like 3 replies in the next like hour or so, it's not a very good project. You got to make sure it also has enough amount of members. That comes to number 3, the hype. If it's not hyped up enough, what are you doing? This kind of ties back to number 2, the community. But yeah, you got to make sure it's hyped up. It has over like 60,000 followers on Twitter. But yeah, if it has like lower amount of followers, I don't think it's gonna blow up. Like if it has like 10,000 followers and they're releasing, there's not gonna be it's not gonna go up in volume because there's not enough attention for it. So you gotta make sure there's enough hype for the NFT collection as well. Number 4, it comes down to the art. The art can't be too generic because it can't just be a picture of a monkey and they're selling it. You gotta actually have some cool features like Bored Ape Yacht Club has cool chains, people smoking. It's really cool. You gotta make sure you're finding next level shit. Like, I think we're in the new meta where a bunch of people are doing 3D things, but some of them are scammy, but I think we're in that 3D phase now because half the projects I'm seeing now are 3D. So, yeah, 3D art is insane. Rebels, that fits a key feature. Rebels is insane. Oh, have you guys not noticed? I'm listing one project for all these examples, for all these criteria. Rebels by Night. I'm telling you guys, Rebels by Night is crazy and you need to hop on it right now. Their Twitter, just search up Rebels by Night, join the Discord. I'm telling you, and tell them Dave the Hustler put me on to you guys. Trust me, you guys will not regret it. This is not sponsored. I'm not affiliated with them at all. But I think generally thinking Rebels by Night is insane. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my top 4 criteria I have for finding the best NFT projects. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe, like, and yeah, that's pretty much going to be it. Peace.
Yeah, by the way, guys, this video is just a quick, I just whipped it up at like 12 a.m. last night. I just want to let y'all know, hook y'all up with some good YouTube videos. Trying to stay consistent with one upload per week. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what videos you want me to post next. And yeah, make sure to subscribe.